Once we do the stock posting, when the shop floor people gets to know, they have to move it physically. It won't be that fast on the shop floors, I guess. Now it depends on that whether you move the stock first or then whether you transfer it first. Okay. What are the things you are doing? There are multiple ways are there. If you are also into the internship batch, yesterday we were discussing it, how the stock transfer can happen with the reservations. So they would be first creating a reservation document. They will print a reservation document. They will take it to the shop floor, give the reservation document to them. Then shop floor, then sorry, store will be picking out the material. They will hand it over to them. Then they will bring it in their store location, and then they will do the transaction. There can be two-step movements can be there. There can be a single step movement can be there. So there are at least 15 to different 20 ways are there to transfer the stocks. One movement, two movements, with reservation, without reservation, with pull list, without pull list, with STOs, right? There are so many different options are there. So you need to check that what fits correctly in your business. What fits correctly in your business. Okay, when one step movement we do, as soon as the stock has been given to one location, they have done the transaction.